All right, boys and girls, we're back with another car review, and you're never gonna guess what it is. That's right, it's not a Fox body this time. Bet you guys are excited. So yeah, we're here with something a little more unique than usual. We're here with something from the Panther platform, and it's pretty wicked. It's got some good brakes. Okay, that's pretty obvious, but it's also got some suspension goodies and some other things you can't see. This weird little, thing that doesn't come in these cars. Pedal, that's right. It's manual swapped. So yeah, this car's got a built TR6060 in it, built 8.8 rear end in it, and it is pretty much ready for boost. Like I just said, it's manual swapped, of course. It is still a 4.6. Too crazy about it under the hood. Besides it does have a PI head swap and cams. So you're probably like, all right, come on, Skylar, let's get to it. Let's hear it. Okay. Much as these 4.6s or pooches, they sound so good. I'm just in love with the way this thing sounds. I could get used to that. Oh, for sure. What I didn't talk about is the interior and how well done up and like just almost perfect it is in my opinion. Take a look at this in here. I love the bucket seats, the perfect placement of the shifter and the gauges. Oh yeah, and it's got the other two up here. Like I said, getting ready for that boost. I'm gonna mount up my GoPro on the back of here and we're gonna go get some sound clips. So this 2004 Marauder, right? Manual swapped, built rear end, built tranny. All it needs is the built engine, right? I believe Gaven's plan with this car is the twin turbo it or single turbo. I don't really remember, but regardless, any sign of boost in this thing would be a blast. Cooler is the AC still works in this car. It is a fully functioning, perfect daily driver, family car, whatever you want to say. It's pretty sweet. Listen to it. I know it's on some Bilstein shocks. It has some lowering springs. I was checking it out back there and it looks like it has billet control arms, and I'm not sure what else is under this thing. I'm sure it's just got tons. It rides, like a lower car, but it's not horrible. I would definitely see myself driving this like probably 5 out of the 7 days a week. Just because of how much I love this car. Now, I'm waiting on Gaven to get ready to sell it to me. Here soon, he's gonna sell it to me. Yeah, I'm gonna add it to the collection, and it's gonna be a blast. I won't sell it to me. I really want him to, though. Probably so funny to see a Marauder with a 360 cam hanging out the back. Oh man, the faces I'm getting driving by people, they're just like, what? Awesome to me is this oil pressure. It carries such good oil pressure, it's insane. Now we're gonna let her sing. Here we go. Moment of truth. Will it do a burnout? Dun dun dun. unfortunately, the time has come, and I have to go return it. It's just tragic right here. Might even cry. All right, appreciate you guys. Thank you.